Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the USA Toys Astroshot target game for kids. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up, let's install it, and I'll show you what it looks like. This item does come in several different pieces, so it requires a little bit of installation. First, we will build the frame, which is made of these yellow plastic pipes, as well as some red connectors. And we can insert the fabric target sheet into the frame as well. It also has legs to keep the target upright on the ground. The target stands at about 43 inches tall and about 14.5 inches wide, which I feel is a good size for kids to have a lot of fun playing with it. The set also comes with 2 air blaster toy shooters. We also have 12 green and 12 blue soft foam balls along with the standing target that we just installed. These toys are also compatible with other brand foam balls. So if I lose some of the foam balls as we're playing and having fun, we can easily find replacements to continue to play with this toy. The toy does not need any batteries to use, which is really nice. All we need to do is pop the foam balls into the shooter, and the foam balls can easily pop out of the toy through the air blaster by pumping the barrel. It is so easy to use and such a fun activity for the kids to play either indoor or outdoor. Each target has different points, and we can count the points to see which player has the most points and wins the game. Overall, it's such a great activity for the kids, and my favorite part is that it gets them off their devices and they get to spend time playing, interacting with each other, and getting some fresh air. If you are looking for a gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasions, be sure to grab one of these.